Hello guys, this is Arjun Rai, and today I'm going to share with you the what are the things that we cover and what we do based on the training and placements. So welcome to IT training and job placement services in the United States. Uh, Today I'm going to cover up little, give you the brief informations about the online courses that what we cover and how we do, and welcome to the video. So if you watch this video, please do subscribe and like and share with your friends and around, uh, closest ones. So let's go to IT training and job placements. So based on we are the more into the placement and training. We cover the different types of trainings and different types of technologies as well. So we have trained people in many basics and advanced technologies in including the Java, Oracle's, .NET, and QA testings as well, BA, business analyst, Android applications, iPhones applications development, and SQL, DBA, SQL development, and project management, and many more. People with a different background of IT or non-IT have joined us to learn these courses from scratch. We can certainly help you to improve your knowledge and hands-on commands on the subjects. Please contact us to know more on our IT classes and timing and course syllabus. What are things that we cover? What are the tools that we cover? We'll be happy to assist you for your learning needs. And we also do cover up certification courses, and the certification courses I do not have mentioned here. So we cover the Scrum Masters, and we cover PMP and PMI and Java and Six Sigma. So these are the course which we cover, and Pega. These are certification courses professionally. We are associated with the different other institutions and university too. And so IT job and oriented practical training batches. So we do run the VMware admin trainings, and we run the Vesper and WebLogic admin, and we cover the big data Hadoop and Teradata. We do also the big data Hadoop on the admin and developer sides. Like we cover the certification as well, and that also professional certifications. So that has the different two types of. One is the learning through the LMS learning management system from, and one is from live as well. So Scrum master certifications we cover here. iOS, iPhone, iPod application development training would be covered, and Android mobile application development, SQL Server, Developer DBA and BI, SSIS, SSRS, SSIS, BA, Business Analyst, Business Domain, such like we cover in different types of domain on BA, healthcare, and banking. We'll give you the scenarios, how the things works in a real-time scenarios like insurance company, and how you work in the insurance, or how you work at the financial institutions, or how you work in the different other retails and e-commerce sites as a BA. Okay. And QA testing, we have the QA testing manual automations and QTP Selenium as well, UFT. So based on the if I talk about the manual, we'll cover up the manual testings like web services and different other sites, like how you work and as a manually how you do test. And automations part, when we talk about automations, it comes QTP, QC, load runner, UFT, and different other performance testings, and auto on the automation sides, and as well Selenium. And while if you're going with the manual with the Selenium, then it will also cover up with the Java as well as scripting, and those stuffs will cover. And .NET, C Sharp, ASP.NET, and WPF, and WSF, Silverlight, MVC, SAP FICO, and different SAP models are different. There are so many models which we according, as per the students require, we set the class. And all these courses has a different durations, and different course typically different type of software which you need to install in your systems, and different durations are there, different hours are there, different timings are there. So we also cover core Java and advanced Java. On the advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate, stores, and JVMs. There are lots of more, jQuery, JSONs, and this course has the different durations. Java has like almost 45 to 60 hours of durations total, and the business analyst has the durations like 30 hours, and we provide the different things. I'll be covering it up on the next sessions, what are the things that you get and the benefit of going through this. Oracles and different models, Oracle applications, and Oracle RDMS, PL SQLs, DBA, ETL Informatica trainings, which we also cover, like development sites as well the testing sites. Quick training highlights. Quick training highlights, like trainers are very professional trainers, and we provide the study materials, we provide the daily class videos, daily homework assignments, software installations guidance, interview preparations, resume preparations, marketing supports, vendor interactions guidance, and other study materials. And that are the things what we provide. And yeah, so let's move to the next. So going to the why us, or why we do the let's go. Okay, why us, why you wanna choose us. So let's take a look. Okay, we help you to choose the career which not only suits your skill sets and align with your future goals, but also join the best technology in the current IT sectors. Okay, and our design syllabus deliver in-depth training on a specific role within the business process, covering broader scopes in that technology. We hire the best trainers in the industry. All our trainers comes with the industry specific technology experience, and they maintain proper communications with the student throughout their training and job assistance. Students are guided to motivated by the IT marketing experts during the entire career shaping process. Mentoring is hands-on as part of the real-time project experience, more practical, less theoretical training. Mm, mm. That's all, and let's go to the enrollment process. So to enroll and to get to know the more informations about the trainings and placement services, and you can communicate us. You can call us at 347-491-5246. That's our direct number. And you can text us 318-500-3479. You can either WhatsApp or Viber and once again 318-500-3479. And you can email at training and job placement at hotmail.com. Now, the reason of not mentioning my company IDs and company name is because of this is a training, specifically I'm providing for the training purpose, so that's the reason I'm not mentioning my company information. So you can communicate us, and either you can call or text us, and email us at the same given informations here. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe our channels. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.